take your spotlight. If I wrote you a symphony, just to say how much you mean to me, what would you do? If I told you you were beautiful, would you date me on the regular? Tell me, would you? Well, baby, I've been around the world, but I ain't seen myself another girl like you. This ring here represents my heart, but there's just one thing I need from you. Say I do, because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's title is going to be me attempting to take my braids down. However, I do love the look of my braids. I did them 2 weeks ago. They weren't done right for me. I didn't like the outcome, so I decided to take them down. But now I'm looking at it, it looks good. It looks good, and I'm reconsidering to take them out. I don't know. I think I'm gonna change my mind. But for the purpose of the video, I think I'm gonna take them down. I think this was the main one why I wanted to take it down. This one was a little bit bigger than the other ones. Yeah, I think I got impatient at this point, and maybe this is the reason why I'm taking them down. Or maybe I should just refresh it, but then, I don't know. Should I refresh it? I'm gonna take them down. Okay, let's take them down. So guys, for me personally, I really don't care like where my hair gets cut. So I totally forgot the length of my hair, even though it's 2 weeks ago. I think we should pull one first and then see, or maybe cut it way above so you know, and then we could take a look at it.
If I wrote you a symphony, just to say how much you mean to me, what would you do? If I told you you were beautiful, would you date me on the regular? Tell me, would you? Well, baby, I've been around the world, but I ain't seen myself another girl like you. This ring here represents my heart, but there's just one thing I need from you. Say I do, because I can see us take your spotlight. If I wrote you a symphony, just to say how much you mean to me, what would you do? If I told you you were beautiful, would you date me on the regular? Tell me, would you? Well, baby, I've been around the world, but I ain't seen myself another girl like you. This ring here represents my heart, but there's just one thing I need from you. Say I do, because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could. Would you date me on the regular? Tell me, would you? Well, baby, I've been around the world, but I ain't seen myself another girl like you. This ring here represents my heart, but there's just one thing I need from you. Say I do, because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. So don't give away my love.